Ta-da! Today, the headache finally goes away. The headache finally goes. Ta-da! Today, I feel the harmony between my heart and body and my brain. Everything will be okay. And if you ask what bird I want to be, I'll say a blue jay. If you ask what time I want to leave, I'll change the conversation. If you lean in close and kiss me, I won't mind. I'll probably respond in kind. Ta-da! Today, I find the energy to play. I find the energy to die. Today, I hear a friendly melody in every enemy refrain. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Today, I see the light across the bay. Ta-da! Today, a sudden symphony of somewhere out there trumpeting my name.